rappers who create but never copy.
Xphola and Mthimbani say papaya sound. Hey, good evening, man.
The image of Tsonga rap, I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps, if you like the Bakua. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Rame with the image of Tsonga rap, I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps, if you like the Bakua. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Music and somebody called back, man. Someone was calling. Me believe I was going because Tsonga rap was falling. We need a guy in my street is connected, not brain. She cost another sacrifice, connected, not pain. As is it their penetration? And when I Tsonga rap, it will exist like at the next generation. You pregnant and feminine, well and save the break. Take them check on Timon Taven and wave the flag. International anthem, just to lead by example and president. After 5 years, the banner humble looks to win for young talented to lead. Come music, I couldn't short so be ready to bleed. Not afraid to try. Can hip hop on top of such until the day I die. As long as Congela Shkobu pushing keep her alive, I guarantee Tsonga rap will always survive. I'm the image of Tsonga rap, image of Tsonga rap. I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps if you love me back why. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Rame with the image of Tsonga rap. I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps if you love me back why. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Rame with the image of Tsonga rap.
Kiri todo hore mo gini ke bo mangedi thogo ke rona re mathomongo hape ka dipina o ka wa rona tsaba ho wile dipia intsalela thiko tatswa imrepa ma the punchline tanzimba kuhlekanyana ni banlasele punchline ne etsemola the punchline ngikala mali mara mlyrical rich mingata mfole the line mkhome na the ditch nimphamela the verse mara still minga finishing this station commander if hip hop is teach the honorable speaker set the rule if you take no orders I kick you out of the room rapping jika na yo Xphola na stimela mbino fambi wheelchair Tsonga rapping tayimela
the image of Tsonga rap I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps if you love me back why. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Rame with the image of Tsonga rap I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps if you love me back why. Mthimbani the reign king, Xphola the kingpin. Rame. Don't ever underestimate the power of true legends. The bodyguard hip hop came with new weapons. As is the lyrics na beat. Even though so difficult, still they keep at the heat. Ringa fuku ringa ko sira Tsonga rap. Ninga pecha bandage loko no bona gap. As it is kuwa screen saver ghost the real king. Or put Xphola to make this the king.
Valeri was saying a rap for life sentence for taking this rap game to the next level. Ani pushi no tabaki ya iduma. Nifamba na Mthimbani bangwani mtoto wa inguma. Ni kazi wayona game lini time rayo. Na i controller loko nfuka nfusha nayo. Imenga koma kiara Tsonga rap neri toti. Abuna loya ngata secha nertumbe te jokin.
The image of Tsonga rap I'll fight for it until the day I die. Check out the footsteps if you love me back why. Mthimbani the reign